guys.
Why is it upside down?
Well, today this is going to be a funky episode.
That was weird.
Open yours first.
You want me to open mine first?
Yes.
Well, first I'm going to say, hi kitty cats. And I'm here today with Sinfulkitkat. We're going to open up our Ipsies. Alex is way over there. You can't see them. So there you go.
They're my support partner now.
And she wants me to go first. Really?
Fine.
Okay, she's going to go first. Ipsy Bags. Oh my goodness. It looks like a sheep.
Someone murdered a sheep this holiday.
They did. We're having lamb for Christmas Eve dinner.
Oh, look.
I'm sorry if you're vegetarian or vegan. Sorry. Vegan. Sorry. But
that's pretty vague of you.
Yeah. What you got there?
Brush.
Brush.
That's all I got.
All you got was the one brush.
Yep, no eyeliner for Alex.
Can I see it?
You're not stealing my brush.
This is the brush she got.
You can
It's very
borrow my
soft.
brushes.
What is it? Bugashi? I don't know. It's green.
Somebody's gonna be offended.
It's like green. I don't know how to say it. I'm not French or whatever it is.
Watch, it's not a French word.
It's probably not. I'm probably totally screwing everything up. And everyone's gonna hate me and this video is a disaster. Alright. What else did you get?
I got a December 2020 Ipsy holiday. Homie?
What is this? Just says home.
It's, oh, I read that.
Homie?
I was like, homie?
Okay.
What?
What?
I don't need this DIY recipe.
Yeah, I hate those cards.
Telling
I would rather just have a card like BoxyCharm has where it just gives you how much the product is and a description of the product.
Bye pores pressed cosmetics.
Ooh.
It's airbrush finish pressed powder. I can't read that either. It's another language. I always.
Oh, and it's got tape.
Can we not open?
Yeah, I guess we won't open it.
It might
It's
say
IT's
pressed,
Cosmetics, Bye Pores Press. Yeah, but the packaging's really weird. I don't know.
Like, it would probably be like going everywhere. You didn't give me much this year. Okay.
Why would it focus there?
I mean, this month.
Okay.
Well, technically it's last year.
Yeah, it's the last of the year.
And then we got.
It's an eyeliner?
Yep, it's an eyeliner. And it's felt tip eyeliner. No, I have to show it. Oh yeah, cover my face.
There you go.
And then, no. Ooh, it's fancy looking.
And I'm sorry, I kind of look crappy today.
You don't care about the packaging, right?
Not anymore.
Don't look at me.
Oh, wow, this is really fancy. On second thought, you can have one of my old eyeliners.
No.
Fancy looking. What are you doing?
I don't know. Hiding myself.
Do you want me to do your eyeliner for the holiday?
For Christmas Eve dinner?
Christmas Eve?
You want to be pretty?
You want to be pretty like me?
You want to be pretty like me? Wow.
Now remember, they're sample sizes, so they can die quickly.
It's not like I do my makeup that often.
What else did you get?
Okay, we got another one called Wonderland.
It's still not focusing. Come on.
Look at it.
There it goes.
Thank you.
Okay.
Man, you guys need to start focusing more.
Focus.
God.
That is little.
They're so little. They gave me less.
Yeah.
I feel like ever since they made
feel-
those, they made the samples like smaller.
And yet these bags are more expensive. I actually pay $2 more than or $3 more than I used to
And that's beautiful.
for you to get this bag.
I was gonna say, you guys need to stop looking at my face. Like, I know it's beautiful and all.
Oh my
but
God, what is up with you? I'm glad that you think well of yourself, but maybe you think a little too much.
Trust me, it'll change tomorrow.
I know. Tomorrow she'll be like, I'm ugly.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, I like that color.
Beauty for real. The color is hotter than Miami.
Good job.
I'm out.
Come on,
What are
focus.
you doing?
Focus. I want you to focus.
No.
I think it's a really pretty color.
I'm gonna put it on you.
What is going on over there? Okay.
No.
Okay.
That's it, right?
Yeah, now I'm
Okay.
debating on just like getting this type of box.
All right. You're gonna have to pay for it yourself, man.
What if I just gave you some of the money?
Well, yeah, you could. I could just take it out of the money I give you, or whatever. Anyways, we'll talk about that later. I've got a sample in here because you can add an add-on, and this is an add-on. It's Hey Honey, Good Morning Honey. I love. It's like my favorite facial serum, but I can never pay for it because it's super, super pricey stuff. So exciting. I'm gonna put that in here. What else do we have in here? I'll just stick my whole face in here. Okay, some brushes, I think, from LaRouche. I'm actually not gonna open these because I picked them out because I want to gift them to somebody. So, and I can't say who because maybe they watch this. So, I'm just gonna shove this in.
Alex is building a time machine again.
Okay, and
Give me my
then
poodle.
where's guys stop? And I've got this Trustique lip matte color and shiny balm lip crayon.
You don't have enough of them.
What? I have enough of everything.
I wanna trade since I don't think this is matte. Because I prefer the matte stuff. You want something glossy?
I don't have good makeup.
So that's what I got.
Glossy is like sometimes sticky.
Yeah.
You said I don't wear makeup that often, so.
Focus.
I'm not gonna have to have a box in here for you. What that means, I had to start cleaning up a while ago anyway.
Okay. Oh, and I didn't see this. This is my bag,
Oh,
which has something in it. Oh, it's got the stupid card in it.
what the heck?
What? What?
No,
What?
let me see it. No, give
It's
me
my
it.
bag.
Feel this.
Oh, that's much nicer.
What the heck?
I pay more money. More money, more nice.
You said mine was more expensive.
Than it used to be. So you're getting better quality stuff than you used to.
This is better quality?
Than what you were used to getting, I guess. I mean, not for this one. Ipsy bag.
Watch this. Ipsy's gonna be like, we're
Like,
sorry.
you guys are messed up. That's what they're gonna be like. Okay, so I got some small.
Or they'll be like
lots of
how
small
Sour
stuff.
Patch Kids is with like Mark.
This is Hanalei lip treatment. So Hanalei lip treatment. And
I think you're just supposed
Okay.
to tie.
you guys are like just talking away. And I got a Rock Out and Lash Out mascara from Ico. I've gotten a lot of mascaras lately for the past few months. I don't know if anybody's noticed this. Excuse me.
I'm gonna tie them in a fancy bow.
Don't tie that stuff.
No, I accidentally unknotted it.
Okay. And then I got this centerpiece all-in-one elixir spray, but I got this by accident because I thought it was like a spray for my face, but it's not. It's a hairspray, so it goes to Bianca.
What?
I accidentally got like a hairspray.
What kind of hairspray?
It's a centerpiece all-in-one elixir spray, so it's an elixir for your hair.
I'll take it.
I didn't
I don't have
understand
any hair.
anything.
Okay, and then I got an eye palette, the Fireside eyeshadow palette from IBY, and it is an Ipsy exclusive. I'm actually just gonna open this up very carefully, maybe.
Listen, you only open things up if Baby Yozo's on there.
Can't get it open.
Do you need a man?
I just don't want to rip the box.
I'm a man.
Don't rip the box.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Karen!
Demonetized.
You think
Whoops. I'm not monetized anyways at this point.
I didn't ruin the box, I think. Like, I dented it, but I didn't really
Okay.
rip it.
So, these are the
Weird.
colors.
Is it calling you hot stuff on that mirror?
I know. It's really hard to
Man,
do this
I
with
wish I
that.
had mirrors that called me hot stuff.
So, those are the colors. It's pretty, but I actually plan on giving this to a certain person as well, which is why I didn't want to mess up the box, because I'm going to be gifting it to somebody. Not
I
good.
don't know how to do
I
it.
mean,
So,
I.
just don't tug on the
It's
strings, 'cause
fine.
it's gonna untie.
It's fine.
Plus, technically, you're not supposed to, like, do that.
Okay, and last but not least, I know, like, Too Faced is not, like, well liked for a company or whatever. But
Company is these days.
I know, all companies are hated. But I have wanted this for a while, and so I had the chance to get it at a lower price through Ipsy, so I did. It's the, if you can see it, it is the Too Faced Kissable Body Shimmer and gingerbread flavored. So this is like body shimmery powder that you can put on your body that tastes like gingerbread. So, where's the tapes? Oh, there it is.
Where's the tape? You
There it is.
idiot.
Because I actually want to open this up.
No.
Is there no one? Yeah, there's no one on the other side. Would you guys stop? You don't even know the ridiculousness that's going on next to me that you can't see. This
You
isn't
wanted to do
wrong.
a video. You never said
I know.
hide
I
a
was like,
video.
hey, let's do this video now that it's like midnight. Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, it's
It comes with like a big puff,
it's a cute puff.
and I don't know, how do I get this open? Oh, there it is.
I
just
wanted to do it. Oh, that's cute.
And I'm just gonna stick my finger there.
Did you just eat it?
Yeah, because it's like,
It's edible.
it's edible. It's supposed, it tastes sweet.
So is this whole point of this is to make out with someone? It literally said fun to put on, even more fun to kiss off. Oh God.
Oh, that's adorable. I'm good. I'm good. It's got glitter.
It does, but
Yeah, I don't need.
it's
to be
edible
glittery.
glitter, though.
I don't care. I don't need to be glittery for the next year.
I don't need to find
Don't let me do your makeup. 'Cause I love
So wait,
glitter.
you're expecting me to not
This
put
is very
glitter
soft.
makeup on you?
So soft.
It doesn't rub off like all the other.
So I got some good stuff,
Oh,
even though
God,
most of it
stuff.
I'm giving away. But you know, it's that time of the year.
Anyone remember the marshmallow version of it?
Yeah.
You know, the one that I ate all. I was a child and got in my mom's makeup. Whoa, you smell
I
like
used to have
marshmallows.
like flavored powders, and Jessica Simpson had this whole line of flavored lotions and stuff, and I had like a whole bunch of them, and she ate them.
Don't eat the whole thing, Alex.
It tastes good,
Tastes like
right?
marshmallow.
It tastes good. Look, I like it. But this is not gonna stay in here. This is gonna go in the bedroom. Anyways. All right. So that was everything, and I really like this bag. It's just nice.
This video is sponsored by me.
So, tell me what you got in your Ipsy box, or tell me what you think out of the stuff that we both got that you think is cool and awesome. And
I think Alex basically has all my makeup.
happy holidays. Bye bye, kitty cats. Mwah.